Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your Shopify store in just 10 minutes, step by step, whether you are a beginner or launching your first online business. You will have your store up and running fast. Let's dive in. First of all, go to shopify.com, then click Start a free trial and enter your email address. Then follow the next step. Then skip the step, or you can customize this step. Then enter your password, then click login, or create a store name. Shopify will ask you a few simple questions, answer them or skip them. Once inside, you will land on your main dashboard. So from dashboard, click the settings tab from the left sidebar. Now from general section, you will see an option like store details. Click on it, click the pencil icon. Now enter your store name, like my shop 220 then you can add your business email and phone number, then click save. This info will be used for invoices and customer contact, so make sure it's accurate. Now let's make your store look good. Go to your admin dashboard. From here, click online store, then choose a theme, scroll down and explore free themes, or visit the theme Shopify theme store for premium options. Then click customize to edit colors, font, homepage layout, and navigation menus. From here, you will see your shop name, then home, catalog, contact. So from the header section, double click on it, then click theme settings. Now you can add your logo. Just select your logo from your desktop, upload image. Once uploaded, select it and click done. Now it's added in your Shopify store. You can change the color, and then the size, like white. Then click colors, choose theme color, then adjust the color from here, like background, outline, button, etc. Now click save. Now go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, click on products tab at the top of the screen, then click add products, enter a title like t-shirt, printed t-shirt, then enter a description, upload high quality image, set the price and choose inventory options. If it's a physical product, enter shipping details, save when done. You can add digital or physical products the same way. Then click save. From products tab, you can add your you can import your products details from your computer. Click import, then add file, then select the Excel file, then click upload and preview, then click import product, then go to settings again. Now we need to get you paid. From payments tab, Shopify Payments is the easiest option. It accepts credit cards, Apple Pay, and more. You can also connect PayPal, Stripe, or other gateways. Make sure to enter your payouts details so your earnings go to your bank. Just choose a provider. You can add Payoneer, Bogus Gateway, etc. Then you can add Stripe to checkout method, PayPal, etc. And under manual payments, you can add manual bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery, etc. Next, go to settings and click shipping and delivery. Add shipping zones. Click the general shopping rates tab. Now choose shipping zones from here, methods and state and the rates based on your business. For example, free shipping in the US and flat rate for international. Then click Save Changes. Click Domains tab at the right at the right side left side to add a custom domain. You can buy one directly from Shopify or connect a domain you already own. A custom domain builds trust and makes your store look professional. Just click connect existing domain if you have already, or buy a new domain from Shopify. Then click checkout under payment section. To customize how checkout works, choose guest checkout or account only, enable other notes and edit checkout fields, then visit settings and go to legal to policies, add policies. Shopify can auto generate this for refunds, privacy, and terms. Now go back to Shopify store, go to online store, and select preferences. Scroll down and disable the password protection. Your store is now live. Go back to online store, then click view your store, and that's how you create a Shopify store in just 10 minutes. Make sure to keep improving your store, add more products, write blog posts, and promote on social media. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of store you are building. Thanks for watching.